Welcome to the Q. Many of us are cooking more than ever during home quarantine, and we are losing our minds preparing the same meals again and again. How do we break out of the boredom? Get your Scrabble game. Put the tiles in a bowl. Pick a tile. Each tile represents the first letter of a country or state. You will then prepare a fabulous meal that country or state is famous for. You can find unlimited recipes on Google. I have selected Ireland, Idaho, Italy. You can further infuse the mood with accessories. Chef hat, chef coat. And I would add regional accents. And last but not least, I would add music. Music that would complement the meal. You can play it while you're preparing the meal or while you're enjoying the meal with your family. So have fun. Make some new, interesting memories with the family. And be safe. And I'll see you next time for more tips on how to maintain sanity during the Q. Alexa, play Funiculi Funicula.
Danza Funiculi Funicula by Luciano Pavarotti, Coro del Teatro Comunale di Bologna and others, on Amazon Music.